Yeah, I know. He's like the coolest person here. And also Gady. Them two. They're like the coolest ones. I also liked the the one with my army. Who's the dolphin guy? Hello. Oh, the dolphin guy. Hi. Hello, dolphin guy. Hello.
I'm back. Hello.
Hello.
I got one person. I invited 2 others, though.
Okay. Speak to me, Tapham fans. Ask me questions.
I cannot think of any questions. I have, like, the worst headache right now.
Okay,
But, guys, ask questions.
Next best thing is, like, erecting a statue of me. Can you do that?
Probably.
Awesome. Why is that the first question? I'm gay enough. I'm gay enough to be in Tapham.
I am cool. Ask questions to Alarm Clock Wanted for vehicular manslaughter, though. 26.
Yeah, I'm the one who made the stage. Okay, listen.
Yeah,
I'm the star. I just have whatever your name is. But Debian, I have you here because you have like powers in the server, and I don't know how to give those to anyone else. No, you cannot speak. You cannot speak, Dolphin. My birthday. What was that? Stop it! My birthday. My. Sorry.
I'm gonna see if I can like record this.
I'm already recording. It's cool. It's cool.
Okay.
My birthday is April 22nd. That's my birthday. When's not my birthday? Every other day of the year. Or what is Alien Day 26? Is that why you're called 26? I don't want to search it.
I'm searching it.
Thank you. Yes, you are my bodyguard. You will search all the weird stuff so that I don't get any viruses.
It's organized and promoted by 20th Century Fox. So
Oh,
I guess yeah. Rhythm, no, you cannot speak.
Oh, is that their name? I just
their name is
the
like
dolphin
Rhythm.
guy. Yeah, Rhythm.
Rhythm, if you request to speak one more time, I will I don't know,
Yeah, quit.
I'll put you in the brazen bowl, dude.
Yeah, quit protect. If you're not gonna ask any questions, then quit pretending. What? Requesting to speak. I mean, either way, quit requesting to speak. But like, at least like say something. I don't think that's me. I don't look like that. That is not me, bro. That thing is ugly. I don't know what that is. It's ugly though. Is that my father? Close. I mean, it kind of looks like him.
Hello, CB2. CB2.
I'm not
CB2.
pregnant.
Ask Alarm Clock Wanted for vehicular manslaughter questions.
I'm not pregnant. Sorry, I'm like coughing. I had like a really dry cracker earlier, and I don't have a drink. Do I have 2 fathers, bro? I don't even have one father. What does that mean?
Is Mpreg real?
Oh, I didn't read that right. Okay, I would hope. Wait, this is edited. What did that say before?
I think they said like Diddy Party or something.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
I'm moving you to the loser VC for like, I'm moving you. I'm 26. I'm gonna move you to the loser VC for 1 second too.
Wait, why?
Because it's funny, and they also said Diddy Party. Yo, Robot Pro mentioned in the chat. It's peak.
Who is that?
Character that I made for a show that the person who sent it is making.
Okay. Yeah. What, dude? What does that mean? Why did you remove him for that?
Okay, I'm gonna explain a Diddy Party. Okay. So corny. Do you know who P. Diddy is?
What'd you call me?
I didn't call you corny. I said Diddy Party jokes are corny.
Oh. Wait, do I know what is? I got too
who P.
distracted by
Diddy
you
is.
saying corny. Bro, I'm not two. You can just tell me what it is.
Sex.
Okay.
Freaky stuff.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. It was just funny to move them to the loser VC for a second.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, that guy's a loser. Wasn't even talking. Oh, is that the fucking wait, that's the guy in the thing. The characters. Who is that? Dude, I've never seen that guy. What do you mean? What do I sound like what? What do I sound like what, huh? Dude, I own this server, you know that? No, the winner of Tapham was Egg, unfortunately, dude. I sound well,
Wait, no,
I
wasn't
am
it
in a
like Cinny?
show. I'm like halfway there.
If I remember correctly, wasn't the winner like Cinny? Because they got like the final
Oh,
challenge, correct?
yeah, no, sorry, dude, literally all I remember from the finale was like Egg monologuing and being a loser. Like, yeah, no, Cinny won.
Yeah.
I'm alarm clock winner for vehicular manslaughter, dude. Look at my name. Who is Mother Miku?
Hello,
No, you can't
Anna.
speak.
You may not speak.
Ask me questions. Tell me
Yeah,
things.
ask alarm clock
That's
one of
not
your
nice.
vehicular manslaughter
That's not
questions.
nice. I'm not even
That's not
transgender. That's
nice,
just not
bro.
true. Okay, 26 is the best. I'm not transgender. These questions suck ass. Is this really what the fans of Taffer are like? I'm not saying that. How do I even say that? I'm not. Why?
Can you say, bro, my toothbrush? Bro, my toothbrush.
What does that mean?
You just send the video.
Who is Corn Kids?
Okay, I
I'm
found
not
the video.
singing
I
the
found the video. I
ABCs
found the
to
video.
you. I'm
Look
not
in the
teaching
chat.
you
Look in the chat.
ABCs. What is this?
Bro, my toothbrush. Bro, my toothbrush.
Can you
Bro, my
say
toothbrush.
bro, my toothbrush?
I don't
Bro,
want
my
to say that.
toothbrush.
No.
Bro, my toothbrush.
Yeah. Yes, Katie.
I don't want to say that. No, listen. I like for today at the very least. I like rule all of you. So you guys need to ask me some good fucking questions, or I am like nuking this server.
Okay, Katie, bro, my toothbrush. I can say it, bro. What are your opinions on Anna's question?
I you can't spell, but I think I'm freaking tough. Yeah. You cannot eat toilet. You can't eat toilet
Freaking
water.
tough, yo. Freaking tough, yo. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Would you learn
What?
via freaking packets, yo, or would you learn face to face?
What? I'm not red because that's just not the color I am. What does that mean?
26. I don't get your joke, bro.
I don't either. I don't know what any of these words you're saying. Oh my god, these questions are boring. Ask me good shit. Ask me interesting stuff.
Alarm clock. What for vehicular manslaughter? What are your
You're
opinions on pull-up stunting? It's the video I sent in the
you're
chat.
Steve. Okay. Okay. Those things are gross. What the fuck are those? I'm not watching that anymore.
Pull-up stunting.
dude, Egg is a fucking loser. Okay, like look, he loses in like episode in the final episode, right? I was like rooting for him. I was rooting for him, and first of all, he didn't let me drive. He didn't let me drive the cart, which was mean. And also, he whenever he lost, he didn't shake Cindy's paw and go like, oh, good game. No, he fucking cried about it and screamed, and he got punched in the head. For good reason, by the way. I literally had no idea what he was even talking about. He wasn't even saying anything that made sense. And like he's such a fucking buzzkill, dude. I hate him. I honestly hate him. I just like messing with him because it's funny.
True. I need to find the gift. Right. I need to find the gift, not gift.
Yes, this does call for public execution. I hope he gets eliminated. I hope he gets all the votes and he gets eliminated. You do not fucking call me that, Steve. Like, you said you were Steve. You said, look,
It's a
right up
reference
here,
to something.
right up
It's
here.
a reference to something.
Well, that's dumb. You lied to me. Yes, we can kill Steve. Text Steve, mute
We
Steve.
can kill Steve.
Mute Steve.
We kill Steve right now.
Mute Steve.
Mute Steve. Mute Steve. Mute Steve. Mute Steve. Mute Steve. Mute Steve. Steve, you're getting muted for 5 minutes.
Yes.
Yay.
That's like longer than a Tapham episode. It's dumb. I don't know what I'm looking at. Like your egg question was good, right? Like I actually had an answer for that. You don't just send random memes and ask me for my opinion on those. I don't care about any of them.
Hello, cool dude, aka the nickname My
Oh my
Army
god!
in the
Oh my god,
Tapham
it's my army!
server.
Hey, are they back yet? Is my army back yet? Okay. By the way, I like that you're calling me Lord Alarm Clock Water for vehicular manslaughter. I think you meant to write fan fiction there. I mean, I don't. I don't really know. Like she's like cool, but she's also like weird. And like this one time, like this one time, I heard her on the phone, and she was like really quiet, and dude, I don't even know what she was talking about. It was like so weird. I hope she doesn't like obliterate me for talking about this. But dude, I heard her saying something about like what was it? Damn it, what was it? It was something about Cinny. It was something about Cinny. I don't know. It was weird.
Yes, the army's growing.
Soon I'll be able to take over Tapham too.
Yes. Cool dude, ask Alarm Clock one of her vehicular manslaughter questions.
Yeah. Opinion on country people. What like people in countries? I mean they're fine. Oh, they have guns. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Yes. People with guns. Yes.
Gabe asked if you were an alpha.
Oh yeah. I am totally an alpha. Yes. Well, now you said that, dude. Come on, man. Can you kill them? Kill that person.
I agree.
What is the moon? Everything is white. The white is everything. Also, I don't want to howl. My throat hurts. I'm not diseased. Opinion on Yuri. Peak, I would say.
Yes, bro. Yes.
Yes.
So true, I fear.
Doom Yuri. Oh, Doom Yuri. All Yuri is awesome.
Yes, bro. So true, I fear.
Yeah, it actually reminds me. One time I went to I went to the store the other day. I was like I was like hiding in the shelves because there was like a security guard there, but there was like somebody like recognized me from Tapham and said and said something about like Doon Yowie and then left. I still don't know if they were talking about something involving me or if that was just Egg and his fucking weird boyfriend. What? I'm wanted for vehicular manslaughter. Get with the times. You're mean. You're mean. Why are you not muted?
You're mean, bro. 26, Steve, you're mean. Steve, I'm
Kill
moving you to
Steve.
the loser
Kill.
VC because you're mean.
Yes, exactly. Exactly, bro.
That's what happens when you're mean, dude.
True. You cannot say a slur, no. What, you just called me a poopy? I think that's pretty mean in and of itself. I can't speak English anymore. In retaliation to what? I can say many slurs, but I'm not going to because I am on a TV show. I can't tell you what I can say because I'm on a TV show. I have no idea how to say that. I'm not helicopter. I'm an alarm clock. Whatever, vehicular manslaughter. What steals my batteries? You do realize that typing in a chat doesn't actually like affect me in the real world, right? You know that what you don't have my batteries, bro. I am talking to you right now. No, they are undergoing mitosis and they will not stop until they take over the world. Listen, listen. First your head, next Tapham, okay?
True.
You just have to let them
Third, the
get big
United
enough.
States,
You
fourth, the
just
world.
have to let them get big enough to where they like leave your brain and then they can like march on over to the white void. Like they need to be able to like there needs to be enough of them so that they can like form like an alarm clock ladder like down to the ground for safety. Out of your ear. I take AA batteries. Do not fucking that is not my name. Who are you talking to? None of y'all can say my name. Who is alarm clock for vehicular manslaughter? No, sorry. Alarm wanted for vehicular manslaughter is what my army just typed.
Alarm wanted for.
How many? 2. Do you not know what a double is? Do you not know that double is 2?
I just realized, did you say double AAs, Giddy?
What is that? I hope the fire on the can is real. I hope it's burning alive right now. Your voice sounds odd. Option on Manwich.
Option on Manwich.
He looks like a loser, dude. He looks like a fucking. He looks like a middle schooler who's like trying to look like a 30-year-old man. You're a 30-year-old man. Also, I totally know what you sound like. I actually I watch you from like the vents in your house, and I peek through them, and every time you hear like a weird unidentifiable noise somewhere in your room, it's me doing that. An impersion? I don't know what an impersion is. Opinion on dying a licorice cookie. Thank God. Impression. Well, I don't feel like it because you're mean to me, okay? I'm not gonna do things for you. Look, if you pay me, I might, but otherwise I don't do, like, voice acting work. Especially not for free. Nuh-uh. Nope. Nope, you lost your chance. Depends on what you want me to do. Well, I can't show it. Okay, sure, I'll do that. Hold on. I gotta do it. Hold on. Okay, I'm on the and ow, ow, ow! Oh my god, that was a bad idea. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm not trans. Shut up. Okay. Dude, I would do that for free to egg. I'm not trans, and I'm not train either. I don't hate trans people. Dude, I'm like competing. I'm competing with like 20 billion trans people, dude. I am not a poo. I'm an alarm clock winner for vehicular manslaughter. What does this even mean? He looks stupid. You cannot show a funny video. I've seen enough funny videos, quote unquote funny videos. I don't want to see any more. If you, Debian, can you mute them?
All right, bro.
Debian, mute them now. Do it now. No,
You're
no
getting
deal.
freaking
No deal.
muted for another 5 minutes.
Die.
Next time it'll be 10.
All right, opinion on my amazing self. I think that my amazing self is pretty amazing and cool and amazing and cool and cool and amazing and cool and amazing. That's what I think. And I'm also like really hot and like really awesome. So like that's just how amazing I am.
True.
Who the fuck is that? Is that why people keep calling me alarm clock? Is that who they're confusing me for? Like I'm a fucking loser. Dude, can we kill this guy?
We can, actually.
Yeah, might have to you know, I might have to get my car back out for this. The number 8, it's a number. Opinion on self-cest. Only if it's me kissing myself, okay? That's the only time that I want it. Yo, wait, there's edits of me? Wait, are there edits of me? I would totally kiss myself, yeah. Dude, I don't know how to prove that, but have you seen how hot I am? Look, have you seen how beautiful I am? Look, if I wouldn't kiss me, I don't know who would. Okay.
Hold it. If you need an edit audio, I could recommend one for my expansive music taste.
What's a slew?
Katie, don't worry. You can say me. I don't mind. I would kiss Alarm Clock Wanted for vehicular manslaughter too.
Whoa! Let's calm down here, ladies. Or lady. Wait. What gender are you guys? Whatever genders you are. Creatures. Yeah, that's you. We are men. Hell yeah!
Whoa! Oh, you're.
What are you guys so shocked about, dude? Dude, you think that there's a single straight person in this show? Did you actually think I was straight? Wait, do I look straight?
We are, bro. Trust.
Do I look straight?
You don't look straight. I just don't think it was ever confirmed.
I confirmed it earlier.
Oh yeah.
What? I think you kind of have to breathe. That's kind of important. Dude, my army is in there. Protect them. Breathe, dude.
Yeah, bro.
Try harder. Get your army to help. Not your army, my army. The army. What the fuck is happening? Yeah, you better be. Mouse to Mabuti. Great.
Ultimate booty.
Now that my army is safe.
Okay, does anyone have any more questions?
I'm staying as long as I still have access to this account. I don't know how long it's gonna be, because I stole this account, but I don't know. Hopefully forever, but maybe not. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being just a small peck and 10 being things I cannot say, how self-sus are you? I don't know how to rank that. I guess a 6. I think that's a pretty good number.
That's over 5. It's
It is over 5.
It's so peak. We're so back.
What in the hell?
I think they're trying to say Simon Petrikov, which is the character in the GIF.
Oh. Army, fix them. Fix them.
Real.
What in the shit am I looking at? Or you'll get freaking beheaded by my friend that knows how to use Discord.
Real. What?
Well, if you're into that, then we'll just ban you and you'll never fucking return. Because this is my server. Oh wait, I can turn off request to speak. Yes!
Okay, the person with the army asked a question.
Let me see. Should I send one out? Yes? That's my army, bro. Let them free. Yes, work on your show. I'm probably not gonna watch it because I'm busy.
Hello, Fanuel. Ask Alarm Clock Wanted for vehicular manslaughter questions.
Keep your fucking tomatoes in your hands and your mouth and where they actually go. You cannot throw tomatoes, and you cannot spell tomatoes either, apparently. Yeah. Who the fuck is Cat? Cat's a loser. Ask me questions or perish. No tomato. I'm not evil. I'm not evil, I'm just mischievous. And also a criminal. Yes. I am not evil. I just don't want a tomato. You are forgiven, my army. I don't want your vegetables or fruits or whatever they are. I don't want your plants. Hello, the money man.
Hello, the money man. Ask alarm clock wanted for vehicular manslaughter questions.
Yes. Because friggin' everyone else is asking me either really stupid questions or isn't asking me any. I already did. That's why I'm wanted for it. I mean, I can if I wanted to.
Welcome back, Anna.
Hi.
Ask alarm clock wanted for vehicular manslaughter questions.
Is that who Mother Miku is?
Yeah.
I did pay attention to the road. It was just an accident, okay? That's what manslaughter is. You were not, bro. You weren't even behind me. If you were behind me, what did my bumper sticker say? Huh? Name one bumper sticker on the back of my car. It did not say that. Yes, we can kill Mother Miku. Yes! My army will spread far and wide. No, we cannot kill them. That's my army. What is the country cookie? Is that who that was?
Yeah, I think that was like the person with the guns.
Oh. Is that their name, Cookie Nomenitin? Their name's Rye Cookie? That's a dumb fucking name. You're eating pumpkin seeds. I don't want your pumpkin seeds. I don't want your pumpkin seeds either. Well, they're dumb. Do not throw the pumpkin seeds. Again, you can't just say throws them at alarm clock one for vehicular manslaughter and expect it to, like, magically transport over here. Rocks are being thrown again. As long as they're not being thrown at my army, then rad. Well, tell them to stop it. Tell them to stop. Tell them to give up. Tell them that they're useless. Good. I mean, wait, no. Yeah, no, that was joking. I was joking. They probably shouldn't do that.
Yeah.
I don't want to be held liable for that stuff. Wait, Egg's over there. Are you lying? Dude, Egg's right over there. And I don't see any army, like, throwing rocks. It's in your head? Oh, okay. Can I put Egg on the mic? Maybe? Egg! Get over here! Oh, hold on. Dude, oh my god!
On the mic, chat. We might get Egg on the mic.
What the fuck is this?
Welcome back, Uni.
Hello?
Yo!
Who are you? What? Why did Alarm Clock want me to talk to you?
I don't know. We were asking them questions, and then someone asked, like, can you put Egg on the mic? Like, check the chat.
How do I do that?
Like, click on, like, the chat bubble. Like, tap the chat bubble.
Okay, I'm gonna go. That's enough for me. Alarm clock. Take this. What happened? What was that? Yeah, he
Yeah,
did.
dude. Like the person with the army. They asked Egg if their mom was single.
Why?
Because they think she's hot.
He's like 50.
Dude, I have to tell him, dude. I'm his loyal servant.
What? She's like 50. How old are you guys? I thought people who watch chat room were like 13.
They are like 13 for 13-ish, I think.
Oh,
Gady's lying.
yeah. Don't worry. I didn't believe Gady. It. What the hell was that? What? I'm the only one with Discord, as far as I know. I think Egg might also have it. I don't know though. Oh, found out about fire. Awesome.
Real.
They're cave alarm clocks that are wanted for vehicular manslaughter. Obviously, they're trying to cook Egg. They freaking better be. Okay, I am going to end the stage soon. So ask your final questions, and then I'm gonna be done.
Alright, you'll ask your final questions.
You cannot throw a tomato. Yeah. By the way, y'all better thank me for getting Egg, because I had to, dude. I had to get him to come to me for that, because
I do thank you, bro. I do thank you.
my legs still hurt from trying to flip. Marshmallow Star's over here. Y'all want to say hi to Marshmallow Star?
Yes.
He's still a dog right now, so he's not gonna talk.
Alright.
But say hi to him. Say hi.
Hello, Marshmallow Star.
You can't throw a tomato at anyone because you're on Discord, idiot. Is fanfiction? Fanfiction's like somewhere. Wait. Let me see if I can find her. Hold on. Let me find her. She's busy with something. What? Any other questions? Can we do a blood sacrifice? Depends. Who's getting blood sacrificed? And I'm sure Marshmallow Star would want to do that kind of stuff. We're executing you, or sacrificing you. Good, dude. You kept trying to throw tomatoes. Good riddance, bro. Yes, sacrifice. Go ahead, bro. What? What, dude? What do you want? Oh. Sorry, it was Marshmallow Star. Let me see this. He's trying to shoot down the army again. I am alive. Yeah, Marshmallow Star was like yelling at me about something.
By the way, I don't know if you answered this because I have the worst headache right now. But the person with the army asked if they can make like self-cessed art and edits of you.
You can make any art and edits of me as long as it's not like really ridiculously weird. All right, well you can go like kill yourself. Okay, how about that? What do you mean alarm clock? One for vehicular manslaughter. Self-cessed will be real. What do you mean will?
It is real. It's peak. We're so
Real
back. We're
enough,
so
dude.
back.
I said out loud that I would kiss myself. Well, if you killed the army, then I would kill you. Okay, well, huh? Oh my god. God damn it, what?
Yes, let's kiss.
Hello. Alarm clock is done.
Yo, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, alarm clock is done answering questions. Is there anything that you guys want to ask or want me to ask?
Gatey asked if they can join the show.
No.
Cool Dude asked if you are a lesbian.
What are these questions? Okay, I'm going to leave now.
Alright. Wait, no. Gatey asked your opinion on egg before you leave.
He's egg. Goodbye.